When it comes to construction projects in Connaught Place, Delhi, it is essential to hire a reliable building surveyor. A building surveyor is a professional who specializes in assessing the condition and safety of a building. They play a crucial role in ensuring that the construction process complies with all relevant regulations and standards. In Connaught Place, with its historical significance and architectural importance, having a competent building surveyor is even more critical. The surveyor's expertise and knowledge can help not only in the design phase but also during the construction and maintenance stages. Connaught Place, known for its iconic architecture and bustling commercial activity, requires special attention when it comes to building surveying. The area is filled with heritage buildings that need to be preserved while also accommodating modern design elements. A building surveyor in Connaught Place must have a deep understanding of both historical and contemporary architectural styles to ensure that any new construction or renovation blends seamlessly into the existing landscape. They must also be familiar with the local building codes and regulations governing Connaught Place to ensure compliance throughout the project. One of the key responsibilities of a building surveyor in Connaught Place is to conduct thorough inspections of existing structures. This includes assessing the structural integrity, identifying any potential hazards, and recommending appropriate remedial measures. Given the age and historical value of many buildings in Connaught Place, regular surveys are essential to ensure their safety and longevity. Building surveyors use advanced techniques and equipment to carry out these inspections, including laser scanning and thermal imaging. These tools help in identifying hidden issues such as water leakage, structural weaknesses, or faulty electrical systems. In addition to inspections, a building surveyor in Connaught Place also plays a vital role in the design phase of new construction projects. They work closely with architects, engineers, and other professionals to ensure that the proposed designs meet all necessary requirements. This includes assessing the feasibility of the design, analyzing potential risks, and suggesting suitable modifications if needed. A building surveyor's input during the design phase can significantly contribute to creating safe, functional, and aesthetically pleasing structures in Connaught Place. Another important aspect of a building surveyor's role in Connaught Place is project management. They oversee the construction process, ensuring that all work is carried out according to approved plans and specifications. They conduct regular site visits to monitor progress, quality control, and compliance with safety regulations. Building surveyors are also responsible for conducting final inspections and issuing completion certificates once the project is finished. When it comes to construction projects in Connaught Place, Delhi, it is crucial to hire the services of a professional building surveyor. A building surveyor